Our customer area has a new feature. Come and see how it works. Start by pressing this icon on our website. If you are already a proposal user, please press Login. Fill in your login user and password. In order to enter our structure catalog, please press Drawing. Choose if you prefer to view the structures as a list or a thumbnail view. This is a structure catalog with thumbnail view. All of the fields marked in red are filters that you can use to help you find the structure you need. You can also use the search field. On the family filter, you can filter workstations, supermarkets, logistic trains, lean management or expanel. On the type filter, you can filter between 4 lean standard structures or structures that have been budgeted to your company. As for the final 2 filters, they allow you to see only structures that were budgeted to your establishment or to you as a contact. We will use structure AO1 for exemplification. As you can see, it is possible to see the price for this structure assembled, in kit and in bulk. Just press on the one you want and fill in the quantity and press Add to Cart. This is how this structure is added onto your cart as assembled and as kit. Now, let's see what happens when we place this structure in the cart in bulk. All of the components that you need to assemble this structure will appear on your cart. You can then press Checkout. This is the checkout menu. Here you can choose 3 types of proposals. Proposal request, if you intend to request a proposal to 4 lean. Proposal draft, if you only intend to have this content saved in your proposal history. Purchase order, if you intend to send a purchase order to 4 lean. I will choose proposal draft, because I only want to save the bill of materials of the structure that we'll be assembling. When you confirm, all this information will be sent to your email, defined by your user login. On your email you will receive 2 annexed files. One is a PDF file and the other is a CSV file that you can use as bill of material. There's also more information that can help during the assembly process. This is the individual view of the structure. On the right you can see several files. One is a technical sheet and the others are optimization sheets that you can use for cutting profiles for assembling this structure. There is also an icon on the bottom that you can open and see a 3D viewer of this specific structure. If you press the right button from your mouse and don't let go, you can move the drawing. Feel free to also see all the main views, or even take some measurements, by pressing on the icons on the left.